Success is not just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. Every successful individual knows that he or her achievement depends on a community of persons working together. The Catholic congregation called Poor Handmaids of Jesus Christ stepped into Vidyanagar in 1990. The sisters render their services in various activities: home for the aged, social work, pastoral care, foster home. They love and care for the sick and the needy around the area here. The sisters founded Catherine Public School in the year 2006, and in the year 2013, the school got affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE, Delhi. Our mission statement: Ignite Catherine Public School's spirit to discover talents and abilities of the students and exhibit them through opportunities. The school aims at all-round development of the students and educates them to be persons fully dedicated to the nation and to the worthy citizens of tomorrow. The KPS takes great interest and care in each child. The motto of our school is Grow, Glow and Go. It enlightens and encourages, educates and provides an opportunity to become a responsible citizens and great leaders in the future. The beautiful building provides all the facilities to the students. It consists many classrooms, labs such as physics, chemistry, bio, computer, maths, social science, etc., and a large library. The school has a large playground where all the sports activities are conducted. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young ones to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership and more. Staff: Sister Soumya, the principal, and Sister Sushma, the manager. KPS family comprises of 42 well-trained, well-experienced and dedicated teaching staff and 11 supporting staff including our security. We duly appreciate the tremendous cooperation on the part of everyone associated with this institution who strive their best to mold our students to work hard to make their dreams and aspirations come true. Apart from the various core subject teachers, we have an enthusiastic team of teachers for physical education, karate and a counselor. We grant concession to many specially supportive staff and the deserving needy. Nearly 3 to 4 lakhs of rupees concession was given to different students. We are happy to share the good news of CBSE board students class 10th result. All passed in flying colors. We achieved good result. Send percentage in the academic year 15, 16 and 16 and 17. And in the year 17-18, we achieved 99%. All of them passed with good grade. Co-curricular activities and various clubs. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. The teachers from various clubs conducted different competitions. They conducted it very creatively. The various clubs: Literary Club, Cultural Club, Health and Wellness Club, Eco and Science Club, Mathematics Club, English and Kannada Club, Hindi Club. The KPS students work hard to participate in various competitions to develop their academic performance. All the winners will be receiving the medals and certificate on Feb 2nd, the feast day of our Saint Katharina Casper. Students Enrichment Program. A person who never makes a mistake never tries anything new. To ensure that our students are equipped to face any challenge, we have focused on Students Enrichment Program. Our seminar on personality development by Sister Soumya. Traffic Awareness class by Traffic Police of Jala. A seminar on academy by Sister Soumya. A seminar on mind and perception by Sister Savita. Special practice of the year. During the assembly, the teachers stay turn to give motivational talk to the students. This is to motivate the students and to increase the confidence and creative thinking in teachers. Teachers Enrichment Program. Live as if you are to die tomorrow. Learn as if you are to live forever. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs. Workshop. Teamwork and Learning Through Games by Sister Soumya, the Principal. Teaching and Communication by Saiju Aravind and team. Curriculum Planning by Mrs. Rajalakshmi. Micro Teaching and Leadership Skill in Education Management by Mrs. Rajalakshmi. Classroom Management by Sister Agnes. Anger Management by Sister Savita. Remodel Structure of Assessment for Secondary Classes by CBSE. Workshop on Mathematics, Classroom Management by CBSE, E-Waste Management, etc. Students' Council. The school selected the Students' Council for the academic year and had an investiture function. Mr. Strain, a co-founder of Oxford School, was a chief guest. He motivated the students on leadership qualities. On that auspicious day, the Students' Council, teachers in charges of various houses and other club in charges took the oath in the presence of Sister Soumya, the Principal, who led the oath ceremony. PTA activities. PTA meetings are held on regular intervals to review the activities of the students and seek parents' participations and feedback. The Parents Teachers Association, through its numerous activities and support, make a positive contribution in sustaining the quality of educational transactions that take place within the school. Their constructive criticism and valuable feedback has always been helpful and appreciated. We extend our gratitude to all the parents. Inter-school competitions. Inter-school competitions conducted by NSAM Bangalore. Our school banked second place among so many schools and the students won prizes for pencil shading, waste out of wealth, just a minute, group song, solo dance, debate and fashion show. It was a great achievement. And also they won in many competitions conducted by Sheshadripuram College. True test of a school's co-curricular program is meritorious performance when it comes to inter-school activities. I am happy to inform that our KP students participated in many of the inter-school competitions. Our 86 students participated in the district level karate competitions in Garden City College. 22 of them won the gold medals, 22 silver medals and 17 bronze medals. Total 60 out of 80, and our school won first runner-up among hundreds and thousands of students. It is a great achievement. Congratulations to all the winners. Award and Achievement. Students Development Society of Mumbai conducted national level drawing, coloring, handwriting and essay writing. Gaurava Award, National Kalaratna Award and National Vidyaratna Award. And 2 of our teachers received Best Teacher Award and National Best School and National Best Principal Award. Past 2 years, we are successfully receiving the National Golden School Award. We too are proud to say that our student Shashank from class 10 secured 5th rank in a scholarship exam conducted by Edushrine Academy and won scholarship of Rs 63,000 concession. Expression of love. We, the Catherine Public School, think differently and do the things uniquely. In the month of Jan 2018, the students from class 6 to 10 put up stalls for 2 days in order to raise funds to help the poor. We collected around 50,000. On Republic Day, the amount was given to 6 less fortunate and a few blind people of our area. It was an inspiration for the parents and for the people. We thank our parents and students. We celebrated the Teachers' Day this year in a different manner. We decided to refrain from Teachers' Day gifts from the management and from the students and use that money for the flood relief. Parents, students, teachers and the management contributed generously Rs 1,03,000 to buy various things such as blankets, clothes, snacks, notebook, medicines, to extend a helping hand to our brethren of Kodagu and Kerala who are affected by the flood. In order to join in feeling the pain of our brothers and sisters in Kodagu, a few of our teachers visited the place and rendered our service and distributed the things. Our students were extremely happy to welcome Mr. D.V. Sadananda Gowda, the Union Minister for Statistics and Program Implementation, and all the other guests for the inauguration of PMK project in Ashalaya. Our KPS students added beauty to the event by the rhythmic dances, sports and games. As we know, sports and games are convenient ways for physical and mental exercise, which keeps everyone fit and healthy. We conducted 2 days of sports competition. The Olympic flame of peace and harmony was lit. Republic Day. Every year, the KPS think creative way of celebrating our national festivals. 2018 was the best and creative celebration ever we had. Every students of the school participated in the cultural program. Creative dances were put up by the students from class 1 to 10. Each dances consisted of 150 and 200 students, and the whole ground was filled with participants using varieties of props like bamboos, sticks.
Every morning, besides the assembly, we have the star prayers to our Lord and Mary, our Mother. Awards. Sister Soumya received a national award, Indian Leadership Award for Education Excellency by All India Achievers Foundation, AIAF, Delhi. Golden School Award at national level by Indian Talent, Mumbai. Best Principal Award from Mumbai. Best School Award by Unati Academy, Bangalore. Best Principal Award by Unati Academy, Bangalore. Received National Best Student Award, National Kala Gaurava Award, National Kala Ratna Award, National Vidya Ratna Award. St. Francis School ICSC in Bangalore invited Sister Soumya as the chief guest for the annual Sports Meet 2020. She was invited as the guest of honor by our school in Thanjore, Tamil Nadu. Highlighted seminars: Anger Management by Sister Sabita, Fire Safety by Mr. Mohan, Classroom Management by Shashikumar. Orientation Program for our teachers by Sister Sabita. The topic is How to Develop Personality, Communication Skills in Teachers. Seminar for Class 10 students. Topic Mind and Perception by Sister Sabita. Workshop by bank officials. Our recent result 2018 and 19, 100% of result, and 2019-20 we received 98%.
Many milestones have been achieved.
and many still have to be reached. We, the Catherine Public School, will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal, befitting the standards of this portal of education. I would like to thank God the Almighty. As we look back, we are grateful for all the favors in all the aspects. I extend my intense gratitude to Sister Flora, the Provincial Superior, Sister Charlie, the Vice Provincial, Sister Sabita, the Education in Charge, and the team for all the favors, for your constant support, and for the encouragement in the growth of our KPS. I express my gratitude to Sister Philomena, the pre-primary in charge, for her selfless service, hard work, and commitment in spite of her ill health. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. My sincere thanks to Catherine Nivas community, all the sisters who worked very hard for the welfare of our school all throughout these years. A special thanks to past, present school sisters for their immense contribution for the growth of our school. A special thanks to media, especially the two of the prominent channels of Karnataka who telecasted 2 episodes of my interview about our school and also the work of Catherine Nivas Senior Citizen Home. Thank you to all. Truly, I thank Mary, our mother, and St. Catherine Caspar, our foundress, for their gracious blessings and protection. Now, I can say at the end of my report, there is no royal road to success, but after the success, every road becomes royal.